Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Richard, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
This week's renovation is in the garage near our washer and dryer. We have many issues about sawdust getting in that area, so we decided just to renovate it, and hopefully this will resolve this issue.
Now there's something you're going to notice. We actually had to buy some poor grade wood. The plywood is not what we normally would. We normally purchase a birch plywood, which is very beautiful and it's already sanded quite well. The front and the back are something that works out well. However, as we've noticed with other YouTubers, they've also mentioned the same thing, that the costs have gone up. Some people talk that it's doubled of what it used to be. So the 3 sheets that we had to buy would have been quite expensive, so we went with the lower grade. Unfortunately, that meant that we had to do a lot of patching of the wood and a whole lot more sanding than we normally would. However, it did come out quite well for all things considered. So let's take a look at what we did with it.
And if you like this week's video, please hit the subscribe button and leave us a comment.
And now we can finally get to building. Where is Brent from White Lab Workshop when you need him? He loves doing this part.
This cheap plywood soaked up lots of paint, so we had to apply many coats.
I'm now making shelves and adding 1x3s to the bottom of the shelves for two reasons. One, the sheets of plywood are warped bad, and this will help to straighten it out. And when you put the shelf up, it'll help it keep from bowing when I start adding heavy items on the shelves.
Ooh, this was a bigger renovation job than we expected.
Yeah, it's taken considerably longer than what we had planned on, and we have some additional parts that are coming in, so we're not going to be able to finish it all today. Unfortunately, we're going to break it up into 2 weeks, so this is part 1 of the series.
Yes, and part 2 will be next week. But until then,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.